30 practical Tagalog phrases with English translation. Nakapanghihinayang talaga. It's truly regrettable. Nakapanghihinayang talaga. It's truly regrettable. May malapit bang ATM dito? Is there an ATM nearby? May malapit bang ATM dito? Is there an ATM nearby? May tulo sa bubong. There's a leak in the roof. May tulo sa bubong. There's a leak in the roof. Malas mo, wala siya rito. You're out of luck, she's not here. Malas mo, wala siya rito. You're out of luck, she's not here. Mahilig akong sumayaw kahit na parehong kaliwa ang paa ko. I love dancing even though I have two left feet. Mahilig akong sumayaw kahit na parehong kaliwa ang paa ko. I love dancing even though I have two left feet. Magpa-deliver tayo ng pagkain. Let's order some food for delivery. Magpa-deliver tayo ng pagkain. Let's order some food for delivery. Anong petsa ngayon? What's the date today? Anong petsa ngayon? What's the date today? Medyo masikip sa akin ang damit na to. This shirt is a bit tight on me. Medyo masikip sa akin ang damit na to. This shirt is a bit tight on me. Nakarating ka na ba sa Thailand? Have you ever been to Thailand? Nakarating ka na ba sa Thailand? Have you ever been to Thailand? Pwede mo ba akong gisingin ng 6:00 ng umaga bukas? Can you wake me up at 6 a.m. tomorrow? Pwede mo ba akong gisingin ng 6:00 ng umaga bukas? Can you wake me up at 6 a.m. tomorrow? Nasa tabi yun ng bangko. It's next to the bank. Nasa tabi yun ng bangko. It's next to the bank. Susunduin kita ng alas 5 ng hapon. I'll pick you up at 5 p.m. Susunduin kita ng alas 5 ng hapon. I'll pick you up at 5 p.m. Pwede bang makahingi ng resibo? Can I have a receipt, please? Pwede bang makahingi ng resibo? Can I have a receipt, please? Pasensya na, hindi ako masyadong marunong magtagalog. I'm sorry, I don't speak Tagalog well. Pasensya na, hindi ako masyadong marunong magtagalog. I'm sorry, I don't speak Tagalog well. Marunong ka bang mag-English? Do you speak English? Marunong ka bang mag-English? Do you speak English? May appointment ako sa dentista bukas. I have a dental appointment tomorrow. May appointment ako sa dentista bukas. I have a dental appointment tomorrow. Pwede mo ba akong turuang magluto ng tinola? Can you teach me how to cook tinola? Pwede mo ba akong turuang magluto ng tinola? Can you teach me how to cook tinola? Saan ako makakabili ng kape rito? Where can I get coffee around here? Saan ako makakabili ng kape rito? Where can I get coffee around here? Nasa Boracay sila noong isang linggo. They were in Boracay last week. Nasa Boracay sila noong isang linggo. They were in Boracay last week. Meron ka bang mairerekomenda? Do you have any recommendations? Meron ka bang mairerekomenda? Do you have any recommendations? May allergy ako sa mani. I'm allergic to peanuts. May allergy ako sa mani. I'm allergic to peanuts. Pwede po bang makahingi ng papel? Can I have a piece of paper, please? Pwede po bang makahingi ng papel? Can I have a piece of paper, please? Itawag mo naman ako ng taxi. Can you please call a taxi for me? Itawag mo naman ako ng taxi. Can you please call a taxi for me? Ang mahal naman. It's too expensive. Ang mahal naman. It's too expensive. Nagawa mo na ba yan dati? Have you done it before? Nagawa mo na ba yan dati? Have you done it before? Anong nakita mo? What did you see? Anong nakita mo? What did you see? Maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday. Muntik na siyang mahuli. He nearly got caught. Muntik na siyang mahuli. He nearly got caught. Ano ang paborito mong pagkain? What's your favorite food? Ano ang paborito mong pagkain? What's your favorite food? Okay ka lang ba? Are you okay? Okay ka lang ba? Are you okay?